How to log out account in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out your account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now here we are in this settings interface. Here on the right bottom, there's a small option called Logout. Simply tap on Logout. Now before doing it, make sure that you have the ID and password saved for later because you might need it. Now again tap on confirm. So it will take some time and you'll be completely logged out from the account. So as you can see, I have logged out. Now you can even add another account and start playing, or you can even add your own account later. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.